Welcome, in front of me is a MEIZU M8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So when you boot the device for the first time, you will be presented with the welcome screen where you get to choose the language. So let me just find, oh, there it goes, it's already selected in English. So let's go to continue and choose your region. Now this will define basically your time zone, so you can choose your time zone and region, and then tap on continue. User agreement, now we have to agree to this, so just tap on that. And here you have network settings, so you can connect to network or skip this. Now if the device was reset and there was previously a Google account, then you will need to verify it, but I don't believe this is the case here. So let's try to skip this. Then you have Google services, which you can see basically a brief description right here. Help apps find location, sorry for that, and improve location accuracy. So you can disable, if you disable the first one, the second one also gets disabled. Then you also have send system data. So basically it's a this option is just more of a gathering data on how you use the device and send it to Google. So you can disable that if you don't want to. Then tap on more, and basically to get to the bottom, and then tap on I agree. This is just a Fly Me kind of apps which you can log into to use them, or you can completely opt out of it if you don't want to. This is basically optional, so I'm gonna skip this. I don't even have an account. Enroll Fingerprint. Now you can also skip this if you don't want to. I will quickly do so. And now it says enroll fingerprint, but before you can actually add your fingerprint, you will also need to set up a different way of unlocking the device. That'll be between, you will have choice between a pattern, PIN, or password. So just tap on start. So there we go. By default it's set to 4 to 6 digits passcode, but you can use a simple, it looks like there's no pattern actually. Okay, so I guess I'm stuck with using the digit. So let's just do that. And now I get to scan my finger on the back sensor, so that is right over here. See it be underneath the camera. So let's do that right now. So you basically start tapping on it, and you want to get a good read of your entire finger all around, so all the edges and the middle of it, so you have a better success rate of unlocking the device. And once you're done, tap on continue. Congrats, the setting is complete, so get started. And there we go. And now we're completely finished with the setup. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.